Namaste friends, welcome to my channel Source of Success. If you want to be more successful, then stay tuned with me till the end. So let's get started. You really have to be successful, more productive, more rich, then you want to be need the book The Magic of Big Things. And it's the best international seller book at that time. And David is the most famous motivational speaker and writer at that. In this video, I am gonna tell you about all these views, how is it, and my mini review about this book and some of the greatest takeaway I learned from that book. And I am sharing my honest opinion of that book. So before I am going to tell you about all these books, I am going to tell you about myself. To starting with a small intro about. So my name is Vishakha Prasad and I am from Odisha. Recently I had done BTech with civil engineering, and in this lockdown period I have adopted so many new habits, and book reading is one of them. Come to our topic, that is the summary of the Magic of Big Thing book. So I if I have tell you something about that short form, that is a brilliant book, and and it gives me so many lessons to. David tells you many things in this book about to become a successful person in this world. A successful man thinks and how we can achieve all those things by only our willness power. And this book, David gives us so many practical solutions with the help of which we can overcome with our all fears. And there are 13 best lessons which David gives us to apply in our life. And the first lesson is, you will get success if you believe that you are worthy for it. So when we believe that I can do it, so how is that possible? Is getting by ourselves, and the answer is only came to that person who believes strongly, and that belief triggers to our mind, and I am positive and I can. This quote is very much powerful. According to David, that if you have belief that we can do it, then it automatically happens. Like uh, like an example. So if we want to become a passionate football player, or if you want to become a millionaire, or if we want to achieve many big things, all happens, but it only happens by only our willness power. We must believe that everything is possible by me. If we want to become a millionaire, then we have to believe, and we can. If we think that nobody is here surrounded me that much successful, then I am also not going to be successful. I am going to be tell you that that really does not matter. Disbelief is a negative power. When we have not having that belief in ourselves, that unnecessary our mind find out all those reasons which is not necessary. And if we are not really willing to be become successful, that situation, disbelief, doubt, it's common to occurs. By all this, we are not going to be successful. Build a belief in yourself that nobody can stop me to become a successful. Then number two, cure yourself of executives. So this is a big failure reason, and this is a failure disease also. Will you ever notice that which persons have less excuses, they become more successful, and which person list of excuses, they became unsuccessful. Mediocre people always explaining their problems like how could I, how can I. Do you make excuses like this? I'm just not tired and not work out today. I will do it tomorrow. I'm too young to do this work. I'm so bold to get started, and I'm no experience at all. I'm not smart enough. I don't have enough money, and I just never lucky that much, etc. etc. According to David, more successful people, less excuses he or she makes, and otherwise, because people not getting anywhere because of excuses. For that, adopt and accept the law of cause and effect. If we should notice on someone's good luck, then planning, preparation, and big thought occurs in our mind suddenly and automatically. A successful person always learns from his mistakes, and as a feedback, he have so many profits. But in other hand, the mediocre person don't interested to learning anything. That's why he did mistakes repeatedly. Not the mercy of our circumstances. We are the creator, and we decide our destiny. We can choose our daily act. If we want to be successful, then we have to copy the successful people's action. When we finally accepted the law of cost and effect, then that is very much easy to successful in real life. Okay, and this makes you success as well. Really thankful to this book, which does have a positive influence with me, and this gives as well reflects to your life and your goals also.